do this. Come here. You ready? Scan. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi. Okay. Cuddles. Hey, Cuddlebug. Wait. Hi. Dodger. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, Dodger. Hey, boy. Oh, Belle. How are you doing? Hi, Belle. Oh. Whoa. Lizzie. Annie.
I'm gonna make a boy disappear.
Okay. You've got Buster. Okay, Buster, no, do not jump on me. It hurts. What? You got sharp claws. I'm sorry, buddy. Okay. You got Daisy. Daisy. Yeah, Daisy, yeah. And then, this is one of my favorite dogs. We've got Frodo. Hey, buddy. Hi. Yeah. Hi, let me go ask my mom something. Mom, can I let Frodo out of the Okay. Yes, Buster, I know you're an awesome dog. Come on. Eh. Oh, dude, Buster, stop. Got my... Don't you dare, Buster, no. Okay. So, these three dogs are too big to live in the house, except Buster. Well, we have one dog, you know, Annie. Annie's the dog that will, Annie is a dog that attacks other dogs, and she's not used to Buster, because Buster used to be our dog. We gave it away, and those people, they're moving, and they gave Buster back. And, so, yeah. But Frodo's the type of dog that he's only used to his family, he's only used to, me, my mom. Hey! No! He's only used to me, my mom, and all of that. But, he will attack dogs, but I've never seen him. But at one point, I have this friend named Matthew. He does not attack Matthew because Matthew used to come over a lot, and he thinks he's family. But my friend Gavin was over. He almost bit, he bit his jacket. He almost bit him. So that was the first time Gavin has ever been over. And yeah, so. Now the reason why I couldn't talk in the house was because my sister just got, okay. Hey, no biting. But she just got back from a Christmas party, gymnastics Christmas party, and she's really tired because they stayed up all night. And she's really tired, so I can't really say, "Come on, Scamp, let's play," or all of that crap. And yeah. So yeah. Now. I love Daisy because she's playful. She's only like a year old. Daisy. Oh. Okay, well, I guess I should go now. So, see ya.